All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I am going to be flying this little helicopter around my garage here just to show you how this works. I'll talk to you a little bit about the controller, and I will show you everything that come in the box at the end of this video. So continue watching. Now I'm just pushing forward with the right controller. You can pretty much use your right controller once you get this wherever you want to be, the height you want. This is really easy to fly, real easy. Let me change the speed. There. Oh yeah, that's definitely faster. Watch these leaves over here blow all over when I go over them. Think I can go under that table, Spence? Probably gonna wreck. Perfect. Ooh, she goes up quick. Ooh. See if I can land on the table. Perfect landing. You want to try it? Uh-oh, he's gonna try. Oh, you did it. I thought you were gonna hit that leg. Oh, you did it. All right, that's it for this video. Hope you like this little review. Definitely nice little helicopter for like a young boy or young girl. You're gonna wanna fly this probably in your house. If you fly it outside, you just gotta make sure there's like almost zero wind because it's so light, it don't really weigh anything. But really, really easy to fly. A lot of fun. So hope you like this video. All right, this is everything you're gonna get in the box. You will get the little controller. You do get 2 batteries, and then you'll get this little cord here is to charge the batteries. You'll get the helicopter itself. You get a little manual, and you will get a couple extra props. You get the big props, and you get a couple little ones right here. A screwdriver. That little one goes right here on the back side. So let's put this battery in here. You can see here on the bottom, that's gonna go toward the helicopter, this little piece right there. So you just put that in there, and then you're gonna push it toward the front. Oh, there we go. Just like that. And turn that on. Turn this on. Turn this one on. Oh, there we go. You got 1 key takeoff and landing with this button right here, right there. You got your speed mode here, so it looks like we must have 2 different speeds. So we'll try that here in this video. You got ascend and descend, which is gonna make it go up and down with this controller. Oh, and then you got forward and backward with this one, left and right with this one. All right, and then this is just left and right trim. If it looks like it's going a little bit to the left, you can push the one to make it go back to the right.